Imagine creating a fully functional game just by typing a few words. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Chaotix.AI, this dream is now a reality. First, type in your game idea or scenario. Once your prompt is ready, hit the Generate button. Chaotix.AI's powerful algorithms will take your text and transform it into a playable game within moments. But the magic doesn't stop there. After the game is generated, you get to preview it. Once you're done with testing, simply click the Share button. Then you can copy the URL and share the game with your friends. Isn't that amazing? From a simple text prompt to a full-fledged game, Chaotix.AI makes it all possible in just minutes. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.